Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's see the EBS volume snapshot in action. So I see I have already deleted the volume. So first I will create the EBS volume, then I will create the snapshot. So click on create volume and I'm going to select this GP2 is also fine, 100 gig etc. I'll create the volume. So volume creation will take few seconds. I'll just refresh it. We see the volume is already available. So how fast it is, I mean, that is the whole power of cloud, right? We just created 100 gig storage for us, right? Now now I want to create a snapshot of this volume just like that. I'll just select this checkbox and I'll click on action, create snapshot, and it will ask description. That is an optional field anyways, and the tags we can provide, that's fine. Click on create snapshot. The snapshot is created, and right now we are inside volumes, but we can click on snapshot, and this snapshot is already created, it's already completed, and the progress says it's already available, not encrypted. Now let's select this checkbox. We'll see some details of this snapshot. What it says already completed, ID of this snapshot, the volume attached to it, I mean from which volume we have created it, what is the size, etc etc. But what we can do is, we can just, while we are selecting it, we can click on action and we can create volume from this snapshot. So we have created this snapshot from volume. Now we can create another volume using this snapshot. We can create image also from snapshot with that we will see in next video, but I have just created a volume, and again I have selected this is fine, tags etc I can add, that is fine. I'll just click on create volume, right? And let's go back to volume, and here I can see now 2 volumes are created, and it will even show the snapshot ID. This is the one using which snapshot ID this volume has been created, right? Let's go back to snapshot again, and this time what I'm going to do, I'll just select this snapshot, right click, I can right click on it, I can select the copy snapshot, and here on this screen I can provide description. Again I can provide the destination region, and this is what I was describing earlier, that irrespective of which region or AZ you have created the snapshot, but we can share it with another region also. So here that option is coming, I can select any of the region and I can just copy that snapshot, and then once this copy snapshot is available in that region, I can create again I can create AMI or a volume using this snapshot. Yeah, so that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.